Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your still life drawing and everything that is required for this post onto your website and kind of how to do that. So to start off, you want to get yourself to Google Sites, and I'm just going to show you really quick what it looks like already posted. Right now I'm in the edit view, so scrolling down and we can see the post. I have the title, material and everything, and then I have my description, and here are my photos. So I have one photo and one image carousel, and we have to view it in the published view to see it run automatically, the image carousel. So here we are in the published view, and now we can see the image carousel. The photos are clicking through automatically on the right. So it's a really nice way to see your progression through this project. And again, everything that is required for this is on Schoology in the instructions. So let's go back to the edit view. I'm going to walk you through how to do each of these parts. Starting off, we're going to get ourselves in with a text box right here. So click the text box, and now we're going to put in our title, which is In My Home Still Life Drawing. And the date, March to April 2020, and write graphite on paper. It's always good to, write what is the material that you're putting this on. So now I'm just playing with the different sizes, which I'm sure you know how to do by now, working on your website. Your title should most likely be bigger than the kind of supporting details. Okay, so make that look nice, and now you're going to put in another text box, and this will be for your description. So I'm resizing it so that it will fit next to my title text box. And then click on those dots at the top there, click and drag to move it up. And here I'm going to copy and paste the description I already wrote, which I also break down how to do that in the written instructions. And I'm going to paste that into here. And now I'm just going to play around with these two until they look nice and pretty next to each other. I'm just trying to make them the same size. It just looks nice in my opinion. Now I'm going to hit publish, okay? Because I want to make sure that this saves. So there's a new edit to Google Sites where now when you hit publish, you have to click publish twice. So please make sure to do that progressively through working to save everything. So I hit publish multiple times while I'm working. So go through, click it twice, and then I always like to check it, and I like to go to view published site after I make a big change and just make sure that it is there. So here I am checking, and good, everything's there. So you're halfway done at this point. Now you just have to add the photos. So I'm going to show you how to do that next. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is add in our photos. So you're going to go over to Images, click Images right here, click Upload, and then find your photo in the file and upload it. I edited that part out. Resize it, so you're going to play with these resizing blue dots until you see all parts of your image. So the bottom's being cut off, so now I'm going to pull down the blue dot so I see all of the bottom, and I'm only going to stop once on the right side you can see it starts to cut in on the sides of the drawing. So I'm going to fit it so you can see everything and nothing's being cut out. I just added in a new text box for the caption. I'm shrinking that to fit the photo, clicking those dots, clicking and dragging it to attach it to the photo. So you have to find that blue bar that's right underneath the photo when you drop it. I'm going to title this Final Still Life Drawing and just edit that caption so that it's centered and bolded. You don't have to do that. I just want to make it look nice. Now we're going to find Image Carousel. So you're going to go back over to your toolbar and scroll down until you see Image Carousel. Click it, and here you're uploading ghost drawing, thumbnails, photographs, everything like that. So you should have at least 5 or 6 photos in there. If you want to have more, that's fine. Just don't overdo it. So I also decided I wanted to put my final drawing in there as well. Now I'm just kind of reordering everything so that my photos come first, then my thumbnails, ghost drawing, progress photos, and then final. So it's in the correct chronological order. Here I just clicked the settings and I clicked auto start, and I'm going to set it to medium because I like that pace. And now insert. I'm going to change my sizing of this. I want this to go right next to my final drawing. So I'm going to click and drag and move it next to the final drawing. And resize that so it's a similar size. I have a hard time getting this to be the same size as my image. Now I'm adding in another text box because I also want this to have a caption. I want everything to kind of be cohesive and go together. Click and redrag and drop it right underneath where that blue bar is. And I'm going to call this progress photos. And whatever I did to the first caption, I'm doing to the second one. But then here I kind of messed up and couldn't get it back to how I had it before. So just ignore this weirdness that is happening right now. All right, we're going to pretend those captions look the same. Awesome. And now I'm just going to resize this so it's closer in size. It's okay if it's not perfectly lined up. But those two things should be next to each other. Now I'm hitting publish because I finished. I'm all done. I don't expect this to be done in one day. I expect this probably to take 2 days. Hitting publish for a second time to make sure it's actually published. And of course, like always, the last thing you're going to do after you hit publish is you want to check your view published site. So I'm making sure everything's there, double checking. Now click view published site on that drop down menu, loading, and here it is. So everything's there. I'm going to double check that I have everything, all good. Now I am done. Thank you guys. Bye.